Hi everyone, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. I've been using one of our packs today to make a notebook style journal. I really like this size, but actually what I've done, I've made 3 journals, all different sizes. I'm going to do separate videos just so that you can see them all in more detail. So let's start with this one. I've made an effort not to fill it with lots of ephemera because I wanted to have more space for writing in. I've used this as the cover. It's got some lovely circles on the moon, blues, and that sort of dreamlike state. It's from our pack called the Dream Journal or Celestial Journal on Etsy. So let's have a look inside. I love the little dandelion seeds on this page floating around, and there's a music score as well, sort of faded there. I made a little pocket here, and inside I've put a tag and another little notebook. It's got a little owl on there. So that slips nicely in there. And then you've got a line page with plenty of space for writing. There's a little area here of the music score coming across. More beautiful images there. This says, "The flower sleeps while the moon shines." More lined paper. And a beautiful owl image there with clouds going across. And I've edged it all in ink so it gives that vintage look. This one's lovely sort of staining there, tea staining with clouds and the moon there. And our Curious Moon Design ship going across. You can just see the clock face through there. And this says, "What does the sea tell you in dreams? Does it sing of the horizons never to be reached?" Beautiful dandelion seeds again. I've printed this on tracing paper. It's got that lovely quality there. And here's a pocket made with one of the pages. And I've just got some note paper in there. Vintage and a card, and then this is a plain piece of paper here to write on. Beautiful collage there, a little bit of writing paper, and again on that side. This is a dreamlike image of the sea. It's actually a photograph that my daughter Jennifer took. And a little pocket on here. And this is one of the tickets from the pack. And some nice washi tape. That's one of the ones that Helen from Journal with Purpose has given me. I thought that went really lovely just there. And on here, this is the centre page. I've got one of the tags, Blue Moon, and I put some more washi tape there. Another tag. This is one of my images from college I've just cut up. And here it says, "And at night they came to me, the most beautiful dreams. The music of shadows, ships sailing, the clouds, moon dust on the waves, and the low calling owls." And some stitching there. Just put some more washi tape there, some more writing space or drawing space. Another ticket. and a card, some extra writing paper in here, with some tickets wrapped around, and then some more notes in here, vintage looking, and this folds out, and I put a nice piece of washi tape there. Again, this is one from Helen. I think it's the London Gifty Company. It's a beautiful washi tape. And this is part of the tracing paper with a little note in there to write on, hidden away. So lots of writing space. I love this size notebook. And I put an extra piece of writing paper there and just torn down the edge just to make a little pocket for those tickets or anything else you want to hide away. Some more fold outs, music score here, lots of brown ink in places, and here got another little flip over with a, this is one of the envelopes I've made up from the pack. And that's the back cover. So I really love that one. I'm going to enjoy using that one, writing some notes in there. Little secret diary. So I hope you like that, and you could copy this completely with the pack. They come in A4 size, but I've just folded it down to make that notebook size. I was going to make a cover for it, but I love that page. I've left it with that as the cover. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking through that. Please come back next week and I'll show you the second one I've made from the pack. Bye for now, everyone. Happy crafting!